Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the startup settings in Google Chrome so you can control what happens each time you open the browser. So, what do we mean by startup settings? Essentially, these settings determine which tabs or page setup Chrome will display whenever you launch it, especially after you've closed a previous session. Now, by default, Chrome opens a fresh tab. For instance, if you visit a site like GitHub, browse around, and then close Chrome, you'll notice that when you reopen it, Chrome returns to a new blank tab instead of bringing back GitHub. But what if you'd like Chrome to reopen right where you left off? Here's how to set it up. Start by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Next, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find the On Startup option. Here, you'll see a few choices. Select Continue where you left off. With this setting enabled, Chrome will reload all the tabs from your previous session every time you open it. Let's put this to the test. First, let's open GitHub again. Now let's add another tab and go to the Chrome Web Store to check out some extensions. Once we close and reopen Chrome, we should see both GitHub and the Chrome Web Store tabs exactly where we left them. And there it is. Both tabs are back just as we left them. This is super helpful if you want Chrome to keep you on track with your work or browsing activities without needing to remember which sites you had open. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.